Welcome to this tutorial on how to transfer money by Western Union. Western Union is a popular money transfer service that allows you to send and receive money globally. To get started, you will need to find a Western Union location near you. This can be a bank, post office, or a retail store. You can use the Western Union website to find a location. To send money, you will need to provide the recipient's name and location, as well as the amount you want to send. You will also need to provide a form of identification and pay the transfer fee. The transfer fee varies depending on the location and amount being sent. Once you have provided the necessary information, the Western Union agent will give you a receipt with a tracking number, also known as a Money Transfer Control Number or MTCN. This number is used to track the status of the transfer and is required for the recipient to pick up the money. To receive money, the recipient will need to go to a Western Union location and provide the MTCN, as well as a form of identification. They will then be given the cash. It is important to note that Western Union has transfer limits, which vary depending on the location and the type of transfer. It is also important to be aware of the exchange rates and fees associated with the transfer. Western Union offers competitive exchange rates, but the fees can add up. To get the best value, it is a good idea to compare the fees and exchange rates before making a transfer. In addition to sending and receiving money in person, Western Union also offers online and mobile transfer services. These services allow you to send money from the comfort of your own home, using a computer or mobile device. To use these services, you will need to create a Western Union account and provide the necessary information, including the recipient's name and location. Overall, Western Union is a convenient and reliable way to transfer money globally. By following these steps and being aware of the fees and exchange rates, you can use Western Union to send and receive money with confidence.